YouTube? This your girl Marty-Mar. We got baby Sam in the house.
And your boy James.
And today we're going to be making our first gingerbread house together as a family. She's going to just be doing what she's doing. I'm just going to notify you guys right now. And
this is take 2.
Yeah, this is take 2.
First one didn't come out well. And as you can see, it's not coming out good again. She wants to act up.
Yeah, so we're going to just try to do this with her being how she be. She normally not like this, but apparently I think she's kind of like getting tired or something. So I don't know if we're supposed to use this board. I think we are.
It's a platform for it to set up.
Okay. So I'm basically just gonna like go off of what I see on the box, because trying to do it how I want to do it and then her acting how she acting, it's really not gonna go as planned. So
the way it looks is it look like it's got cream on the board for the base, and that helps it stick.
Okay. So
you want to get a butter knife, because you're gonna have to spread it out. Just spread out over the board.
Okay. Yeah, get a butter knife. I had one. I don't know if this is gonna be enough frosting. We're gonna see what we have to do. And she just going to do what she do, because that's what she does.
I bought you 3 utensils. I don't know which one you might need the most.
Oh, me neither. It kind of probably would be better to spoon and butter knife it. I don't know. I've been wanting to vlog for the longest. A lot. I think it's supposed to go that way. I'm just messing it all up, y'all.
Come here.
Okay, this one just gonna fall for right now.
What?
She gonna knock the camera down.
Hey, cut it out. Don't mess up the festivities, man. Come on. Go sit over here. Come on. Come on. Okay. Alright. Sit right here.
This is just all bad.
Get myself a butter knife.
And she just gonna keep getting back down. I'm gonna be here all night, y'all.
What do you want? You got a spoon right there with some frosting on it. Get it. Get the spoon with the frosting. Come here, boo. Come here.
I mean, she can touch it, but
What you over there doing?
do people eat these?
The gingerbread house?
Yeah.
I never had one, but yeah. That's all. I think that's the whole purpose of building it, is to eat it afterwards.
Oh. Well, I don't know, cause my hands all up on here, even though they clean. Y'all ain't eating Look at her.
Little lady, I need you to stay still, please. Okay, that's enough. Watch this. No, don't get back off the couch, please. Stop.
She said.
Okay. What are you over there doing?
Just give her one.
Eat your gumdrop and chill. I'm not gonna give you no more candy if you're gonna be throwing it. Anyway. Back up. Back up. Back up. You see it? Back up. Yeah. You knock it on the floor, we'll vacuum it afterwards.
Okay. Now, we need to put some...
Okay, thank you.
I need to put that back in there. Somehow, some way.
No. Here, get a gumdrop. Gumdrop, run away. Go ahead.
I'm so sad that this thing just broke like that.
Chew before you swallow.
You about to come over here and eat all the candy? Okay.
It's about best way to get it, man.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. You okay?
She don't need no candy. I don't even know why she eating that.
It's one thing as a parent that I'd be nervous about is letting her get little small snacks and stuff. Come over here. Come on. Come on. Come on over here. I think the next time it'd probably be better just to do some research on how to do it first, what tools are needed, if any.
I mean, there's really no tools needed. It's just that thing popped off, so it's like looking mess. That's delicious. Look, I'm all scraping the door off and crap. Frosting won't even stay.
Run along. Sam, come on, man. Why you being so bad? Why are you being so bad?
Can I ask why? Why the windows up on the door like that? What is wrong? Do you know how to do windows? Why are they so close? Is it like a smiley face or something? Like the door is smiling, like, hey.
It's okay, Sam. Come on, calm down.
Y'all.
If anything, you should blame your door, because your door is probably just like...
Y'all, look at the... Look at the windows. Look at that. Like, why is it up on the door? It's supposed to be, like, spaced out. See, our windows is all spaced out. Can you move it? Oh, well, it's going to be as is.
I mean, I could, but it, you know... Sam, what's going on? What is going on with you? What is going on? Are you tired? I think you're tired.
Here you go.
Lay your head right here and rest. Okay. It's okay. You keep wanting to get down and mess with stuff.
Okay. So...
Go ahead. You're free to go.
Just put this here.
You are free.
Yeah, our gingerbread house is not gonna be perfect, so it's not gonna be perfect, but it's okay. I need to
man.
put these.
Where you going, Sam? Who you talking to? I think she be talking to somebody that's not there. Oh no, she reaching for something. Yeah, I was wrong. You want your book? You got your Dr. Seuss book. You want your Dr. Seuss book? Green eggs and ham. You or Sam? Let's go get your Dr. Seuss book. Come on. Hey, Sam. Here. Get it. Are you gonna read it? Green eggs and ham.
Y'all, this about to be a mess.
It's the first time doing it, so, you know, it ain't gonna be perfect.
Yeah, but you want it to be perfect. Okay. Looking like a bunch of 3-year-olds just stop.
You gonna pull something else and go hit you in the face? Better stop. I read Dr. Seuss myself. I remember these books way back when I was in school.
I just want the roof.
What'd you do?
Okay, so
That's probably gonna be it, folks.
Yeah.
That's all we got for tonight.
I'm gonna most definitely buy another one. Christmas ain't even here yet. We still got a long way to go.
Hey.
So let me see what this tastes like.
Oh, the panel broke, or was that the roof piece?
The side piece broke.
Oh, dang.
No, that was the roof.
Okay.
Cause it wouldn't stay. It kept sliding, so I was trying to like make it stay. You like that?
Go ahead, eat it all up.
So make sure you guys like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And we will see you guys in the next video.